Hello, everyone. My name is Rosalind from the beautiful country of Philippines. I am an English teacher and I acquired my TFL certificate from the teacher's record, which means I am qualified to teach English as a second language. I know that learning English is not that easy, especially if you are a beginner. But don't worry, because here I am, willing to help you. And together, we will learn and practice English in a fun and easy way. Spelling, sentence construction, grammar, and articulation are all be covered in our lesson. Other than that, a learner centered approach will also be applied in our class, which means our lesson focuses on creating connections, interests, needs, and goals. So, are you with me? If it's a yes, it is my pleasure to see you in my class soon. Have a great day. Goodbye.